Hi students, you're home for a couple of weeks and wondering what to do? Let's make some videos. You can share your story and exercise your video production skills at the same time. Here's some great ideas to get you started. You are living history. Create a short documentary about the coronavirus and how you and your family are dealing with it. Research and produce a PSA about how to stay safe from germs. Teach viewers how to make a food item that your family enjoys. Research a science experiment and teach viewers about your findings. Write and share a creative short story with drawings or animation. Send a link to your video or post to secc@secctv.org to share your story with the Sacramento community. Be sure to use the hashtags SECCTV Share Your Story and hashtag SIVA Awards when you post. We can't wait to see your story and share it online and on educational cable.